Unit 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. Hello students, in the previous part we have seen that the cat was paid 10 times the sum the king had paid for the whole cargo. Now in this part we will see what changes took place in Dick's life after receiving the huge amount from Mr. Fitzwarren for his cat.
When the ship came back to the port of London, the captain showed Mr. Fitzwarren the gold and jewels he had brought from Barbary and told him the story of the cat. The merchant sent for Dick. "From now on, Dick," he said, "we should all call you Mr. Whittington, for you are a rich man." Mr. Fitzwarren then paid him all the money the captain had received for the cat. From this time on, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant himself. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter Alice, and 3 times he was elected Lord Mayor of London. He was also in time knighted by the king and became Sir Richard Whittington. Knighted means given a highly honored title. He was not only famous, but he was popular too, for he always helped the poor with his money. Sometimes when he was old, he would tell his grandchildren the story of his cat and how the bells of London had called him back when he was only a poor boy. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London.
So we have seen that the captain handed over the gold and jewel he had brought from Barbary, and also handed over the amount he had received for the cat. So Mr. Fitzwarren called Dick and said, "From now on we will call you Mr. Whittington, for you are a rich man." So from that day, Dick worked with Mr. Fitzwarren and became a successful merchant. He married Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter, and later, for the 3 times, he was elected as the Lord Mayor of London. He was also knighted. Knighted means given a high honor title by the king, and he became Sir Richard Whittington. He was very popular as he always helped the poor with his money. So my dear students, we have seen that the cat had changed Dick's life. How did it change? Yes, at first it helped him to sleep peacefully by chasing all the rats and mice. Later, as it was a good mouser, it was bought by the king of Barbary for a very large sum of money, and because of this he became a rich man and a successful merchant. Now a question arises, what changed his fortune? You will say the cat, but no, it were the church bells that gave him a message. And what was the message? Yes, turn again, Whittington, you worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So after hearing the bells, he decided to retrace his steps and go back to Fitzwarren's house. Now, why was he running away? Yes, he was running away because the cook used to ill-treat him. Dear students, it means he had to face the same treatment that he received. Dick had 2 options. One was to run, and the other one was to face the difficulties. As I have already told you that fortune favors the brave. So Dick was ready to face the difficulties to become the mayor. So it happened. So dear students, we learn that we must never run away from difficulties, but face them bravely. So I hope you will do the same so that your future will become bright. I hope you have understood the lesson. Now take the homework, write the meanings and try to find the answers to the given question. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye. See you.